Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Spotted this for £1 catapult game with 6 foam balls. Yeah, Dr. Von Mad does a lot of catapults. I'll probably put a link in my video description to his channel. He doesn't do them like this, he makes them from scratch. Obviously this is a plastic kit. In fact, that looks like a unopened kit. Oh, that looks simple enough, doesn't it? Got sticky pads, stick it to the table. Instructions. That goes through there. That goes onto there. Another piece. That goes through that hole, through there. I'll get it the right way round. Okay. Oh, that does look like it might have been used before. That's got stress fracture on it. Got a long screw on it, long thread. Okay, got there in the end. Why isn't that moving? Oh, it's just very strong. Push that down. Okay. Whoa, that went pretty well. That's going to be popular with my grandsons. Okay, so we ought to stick it down. It's not staying stuck on this floor, it needs a nice smooth surface to stick to. Oh, I can see I haven't got that the right way around either. Should have been over there. Well, it's still going to work anyway. Okay. Full distance. Oh, I know what I should do. I've got some plastic cups. Right. Plastic cups at the far end. So it's about 5 meters away. We've got 6 balls. So, number 1. Oh, much too high. There's no adjustment for the angle though. Angle of release. So I just have to go less power. That was a little too soft. That was too soft as well. Okay. over the top. We'll use that one again. And over the top. Yeah, okay, well I didn't get the angle of release quite right, but we did destroy the tower of plastic cups. I reckon my grandsons will love that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.